Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here in this short video. Well, actually, this is kind of a longer video. So in this kind of longer video, I'm showing you how I set up camp at La Posa South LTVA with Misty. You get a feel for my rooftop box, where I'm at, what I'm doing, and how I get my camp set up. Let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is take out my little aluminum table for Walmart so I can set up my phone and my tripod on it so you guys can actually watch me put up my campsite. Oh, that's blurry and weird. Okay, good. Alright, y'all, so it begins.
Not me.
Oh, I am ready. Okay. Hey, yo, you want to help me put on my awning real quick?
Absolutely, sweetheart.
I have your help.
Absolutely. Watch the little mug over here. There's a couple of Savannah.
Someone on YouTube asked me about the clam, and they're like, tell me more about the clam, and I was like, because I had mentioned that it was your clam, obviously.
Yeah.
And I was like, Misty's short, and she can do it by herself. I was like, Misty's tiny. She's short and she's tiny, but she still manages.
Oh yeah. You see how easy it is.
Oh yeah. sticky
Lost
bush.
that middle one.
Right.
This side.
Okay.
Alright. Good, good. So now, there you go. Teamwork makes the dream work.
You want me to go up?
No, you're fine.
Oop,
Yep,
oop.
no, that works. Okay. Cool. So now, let me just get a couple of these situated.
You're definitely gonna need some tie down.
Yep, I have those strong stakes that I bought. Yeah, that's good, babe. I think you can probably let it go. I think we are secure for the most part here. Oh, wait. It's almost like easier to just adjust it once I have it up. Stakes out. Excellent. Okay.
Nice. It's not supposed to be really windy, so I can't
Yeah,
imagine
no, it's not.
supposed to be any.
Exactly.
Good.
To make it a little more cozy for you, I can pull up my van like a little bit and angle it. Make it, you know, the aesthetics and shit. Winston!
Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Bubba. Stay
Come
over here,
on,
please.
big boy.
Okay, come on, Bub. Come on. Hey,
Want me to get him?
good boy. You want a treat? Good boy, come on. You have to stay over here.
Like a good boy.
I'll have to put you on the long one here shortly.
Good boy. Thanks for listening.
Here, come here in the shade.
We're so happy.
Come here in the shade and you can have a treat.
Here. Let me drink this water over here.
Yeah. I just want to put it there in the shade for now.
Good boy.
There's sweet baby.
Alrighty. Yeah, that works. Wow, thanks, Missy. Appreciate this.
I appreciate you. I'm so happy you're here.
Yay, me too. I'm so happy I'm here too. I'm so glad I decided to come last minute.
Me too. I was so surprised. I was like,
So for the ride over, I had my fridge plugged into my Jackery because since I just have my little Jackery 240, I just charge it while I drive. But I will now plug it into my Bluetti since we are stopped for the weekend. And I also need to plug, oh, it's at 80%. Okay, cool. So yeah, so I'll leave my fridge plugged into my Bluetti, and then I have my Jackery and my Rock Pals for my smaller electronics. My awning collapsed on me in this wind before we had a chance to put the tie downs in. So Misty went ahead and tied down my awning for me because it definitely collapsed on me and it hit my head and bent the side, but it should all be good now.
Good job to Misty who got it set up for me. I didn't expect it to be so windy, but it helped to have two people today. So there's Misty. Obviously we're right on top of each other today because she's one of my besties. And yeah, we're gonna go to the Lit Cactus tonight to hang out with some of our friends and have a bonfire. Winston played with a little 4-pounder, Miles, little Chihuahua, and here he is. Hi, Bubba's. What are you doing? Are you happy? You sitting in the shade? Yeah. Okay, good. We are at La Posa South LTBA, hanging out. And this is our camp. Oh, I gotta close my rooftop box though. Just noticed that.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got something from it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me so much. I love you guys. We'll see you next time.